In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find approval of Mailerlite. To begin, open your Mailerlite dashboard. Make sure you are on the main dashboard screen where you can see the top navigation and any account messages. This is important because Mailerlite usually shows approval and review updates right at the top, so you do not have to search through menus first. Next, look across the top bar for a notification banner. This banner is often orange or yellow, and it is designed to catch your attention. If your account is still being checked, the message usually appears here. Take a moment to read the text carefully. You are looking for wording like account under review or pending approval. If you see either of those phrases, it means your account is not fully approved yet and Mailerlite is still verifying your details. If the banner says they need more information, follow the prompt. Go into your account settings and then click the button that says Complete your profile. This is where you provide any missing details that Mailerlite needs in order to finish the review. When you are completing your profile, double-check that everything is accurate and consistent, since mismatched details can slow down the approval process. After that, check your email inbox for a message from Mailerlite that confirms the review is finished. The approval email typically has the subject line, "Your account has been approved." If you do not see it right away, give it a little time and make sure you are checking the same inbox connected to your Mailerlite login. Now go back to your Mailerlite dashboard and refresh the page. If the notification banner has disappeared, that is a strong sign your account is approved. Mailerlite removes the review banner once your account is cleared. For one final confirmation inside the platform, click the Campaigns tab. Look for the Create Campaign button. If that button is clickable and not grayed out, you have access to send campaigns, which means your account is approved and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.